No, it's obviously a highlight for many thousands of investors around the country and draws a lot of scrutiny. What are we likely to hear this year that might surprise us?
Yeah, there are a number of things on the table. I mean, first and foremost, Berkshire has made a couple of stock investments that they disclosed a few weeks ago. One was that they upped their stake in Apple to about $6.5 billion. And then they've also disclosed that they own north of $9 billion worth of the four biggest U.S. airlines, so Southwest, United, American, and Delta. And those are surprising for a lot of Berkshire investors because, for one, Buffett has sort of long avoided technology stocks, and another is that he's been on the record for years saying that airlines were a terrible business. So
right.
I think a lot of investors are going to want to know what's up, why the change of heart.
Exactly. I mean, his previous play, and I suppose his play always has been America. America is strong. Is this part of that, or is this a completely different type of bet?
I would imagine if he wades in here, he's going to talk about the fundamentals of the business. That's how he invests. He wants to be involved in companies that he thinks are going to do well over the long term. And if he does wade into it, he'll talk about what might have changed at those companies, or in the case of the airlines and the airline industry, to make them an attractive investment now.
Because they're very volatile typically. Now, the other thing is that he has some new voices in his ear over the last number of years. Is it possible that these are sort of changing Warren Buffett's mind a little bit?
Yeah, I think you're talking about the investment managers he
right.
hired to help him pick stocks, and yeah, for certain. I mean, there are two younger gentlemen, Todd Combs and Ted Weschler. They came to Berkshire with different ideas, though in many ways they invest with the same methodology that Buffett does. They just have different circles of competence, if you will.